Guys, Chris Aqua here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I post videos on how you can make money online, and I also post some digital tips. Some months ago, I shared an update with people where you can make money online just by receiving text messages on your phone. And here is the video right here. So most people say it's scam, is this, is that. Alright, so I decided to show you a payment proof. This is the video right here about 6 months ago. You can see it right here about 6 months ago. So I decided to show you payment proof. I withdrew. Let me go down my screen. You can see this here payment, PayPal payments process. Money is being sent to your PayPal account. So let me go to my PayPal account so you can see that this is real. Alright, so this is the PayPal account, this is my email, and this is the email from the app that I installed. Let me go back and refresh so you can see that this is actually real. Alright, so you can see this is a payment of 1.5 USD into my PayPal account, and as you can see, dear user, thank you for using Mark Money. So guys, this is real. I'm not sharing fake updates with you. This is real. So I'm going to drop down a link in the video of this video. Is this particular video, I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. I might also pin it to the comments so you can check this video out and learn how to install this app and make money for yourself. It's passive income, although the money is small, but it's passive income. You can just leave the app on your phone, just install, register your number, leave the app like that, and you start receiving some text messages. So every text message you receive, you are going to be making money off it. So guys, this is the video. I'll leave a link to the in the description of this video. The link will take you to this particular video tutorial on how you can use the app. So guys, ensure that you get started and start making money online. If this is the type of content for you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it will help me grow, and it will, if you like this video, it's going to suggest it to other people, so you can help people by liking this video. Drop a comment in this comment section below if you want me to post anything or make a video about anything for you. Also, don't forget to share this with your friend. Take care of yourself, guys. Stay safe.